Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Hyekyong and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordi and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we are going to make Kimbap. So Kimbap literally means seaweed rice, but I think I can call it a seaweed rolled rice or something like that. And Kimbap is super popular food in Korea, especially if you go on a picnic or school trip, you always carry kimbap with you. You can find like variety of kimbaps in Korea and you can make so many different kinds of kimbap. And it's also very fun to make No idea. Oh my goodness. Fail. Among all different kinds of kimbap, one of my favorite is sogogi kimbap, which is beef kimbap. So today we're going to make sogogi kimbap. Okay, so the main ingredients of kimbap is of course the rice. And look what I found in the supermarket. Glutinous rice. I was thinking that if I make this, it's going to be the rice for the kimbap, but it was not right. I made the rice a few minutes ago and then it's too moisture or it's too sticky
And I even burned the bottom.
I don't know, maybe I made it wrong or I have no idea or maybe it's not the right kind of rice. So it's kind of fail. Not completely fail, I mean it's eatable. The texture is not the right texture that I wanted. Anyway, we're just gonna use this one, but I'm gonna try it again like next time with the sushi rice. I'm gonna try it with the sushi rice. Anyway, let's season the rice. And mix. This texture of rice, oh my god. I'm not sure how this gimbap will turn out. My god, this is too sticky, oh my god. So while preparing other vegetables, I'm gonna just cover it to keep the warm temperature and set aside. Alright, so these are all the things that we're going to put in sogogi kimbap. You can use just normal beef. It doesn't have to be ground beef, but I'm gonna use the ground beef. What you can easily find in Korean kimbap is the pickled daikon, the yellow pickled daikon. But here in India, I cannot find the pickled daikon. So what I'm going to use today is this one. You know what it is? This is the beet pickle that I made a few hours ago. I just steamed the beet, soaked them in a vinegar, sugar or salt water for a few hours. I'm not really sure how it's going to taste, but I think the texture wise is going to be very similar to the Danmuji. So I'm going to try this. Oh my goodness, it took forever to cut all the carrots. So now we're gonna put it in a bowl and then put some salt in it and leave it for about 10 minutes. Alright, meanwhile, let's prepare the 시금치. Love 시금치. Nice. It's gonna cook very fast. Hot. Wow, it's like the veggie preparation when we did for the bibimbap, you remember? Oh, the sesame oil smells so good. Eating just like this is really nice. Good. It's a lot. Oh my god. Whatever. Okay, finally it's time to season the meat. Look at this. Woo. And now it's time to mix all together. I forgot to buy gloves again, so I'm going to use this zipper bag. as a alternative. I mean, it works, right? So I think it's quite done. Look at this! Alright, so we're gonna set this aside for a few minutes and let's prepare the eggs. Okay, this is very important. I have to flip it one time. Alright, wish me good luck. Okay, now let's start fry the beef. Oh, it cooks really fast and oh, the smell! It's gonna be really good with the kimbap. Okay, so finally it's time to roll the kimbap. Alright, so you need the seaweed and look what I found in the supermarket. Ta-da! So this is Korean product and exactly the seaweed for kimbap. I was really surprised to find this in the supermarket, and if you can find this one, you can just use like others. It doesn't have to be from Korea, I think. If it looks like this, you can just use it. And when you roll kimbap, one tip is that you will find there's a smooth surface and also kind of rough surface. The smooth surface has to be down. So that's one tip. And we're gonna put the rice. Oh my god, this rice is super sticky. Oh my god. I have no idea how this is going to be. It's going to be a really difficult process to spread all the rice evenly. Okay, so the other tip is you need to leave a little bit of space here. It's because when you roll, the rice can be like pushed. So just to have everything together inside the roll. Okay, now let's put the veggies one by one. I think I should have put the beef first. Okay, let's do it again. Alright, so it doesn't look super pretty right now. But once I roll, it's going to look better, I hope. Okay, let's roll it. So normally we have like the wooden like roller kind of thingy, but I couldn't find it here. Many people just use hands to roll the kimbap. So I'm going to try that way. Oh my god, this rice is super sticky. Okay, I will have to push so they all like stick together, you know? But I don't want it to break. Oh, it's already start breaking. Ah! I'm still. See, it's already broke. Some sesame oil. These. Okay, now I will have to cut. Normally we use like a big knife, but I'm gonna try with this one first and let's see how it goes. I have to be fast. Okay, one. Ah! It broke! Bigger. Ah! No! Okay, guys, this happens. Okay, done. Yeah, look at this. I think I put too much rice. But yeah, the second roll, I'm gonna put less rice. The rice is too sticky. This is definitely not the type of rice that I was supposed to put here, but check the right instructions to cook the rice. This is like a rice cake almost. Put it as thin as possible. Ah. Ah. Okay. Here we go. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. I have a better feeling with this one. Good. Didn't break, I think. What do you think? I think it looks fine. It's smaller than the previous one. Oil, And then let's try some big knife. Oh, this knife is not really sharp. I think I'm gonna go with the previous one. Okay, the one more tip is that every time you cut, you have to wipe it. Oh, nice! Ah, there you go! Good. Look at this! It's beautiful! Jordi.
Oh, what? Oh, so cute. It's a small. It's nice presentation. Look at this. May I try?
Yeah, give it a try.
It smells legit. I mean, I can smell the the seaweed, very strong. Right, look at this cuteness. I like the mix of flavors. It's a good mix of flavors. There's no flavor way more than the others. Especially the meat, well seasoned. I think the texture is a bit too
It's a strange,
chewy.
right?
It doesn't feel like tasting rice. It feels more like chewy something.
I know, it's because of the sticky rice I
Yeah.
used. It's a wrong rice.
I mean, it's still delicious, but the texture in the mouth feels a bit less kimbappy.
I know.
It's good. I like it. We cannot call it fail, but we cannot call it like a total success, I think. No offense. No offense. Flavor-wise, it's really good.
Oh, try it with kimchi.
It's been now, what, two weeks fermenting?
Almost right.
Right?
I love trying kimbap with kimchi. It's a good
You
combination.
mean mixed?
I mean, like, eat together, you know?
Yeah, there is kimchi kimbap, no? Kimbap with kimchi inside.
Yeah.
Like this. But not exactly like this, but... Nice. We're back in Seoul. Kimbap Jonggo or Kimbap Nara. Oh wow, nice. I guess the only thing, the rice. Apart from that, it's really good.
So the first roll, I put too much rice, so it was fail. But this one I put less rice, and let's see how it is.
Not bad. The texture is still, it's not right texture, but it's good, it's good. It's good. Alright, let's try with kimchi.
Wait, you have something on your hair. I think it's rice or flour or something. Okay.
It's really good together. Nice.
Maybe. Your hair. Don't know if it's food or what.
Maybe.
Oh, yuck. I think it's rice or flour or something. Okay.
Alright guys, if you like this episode, please click like, and if you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe so we can make more videos like this. And if you try making your own kimbap, please let us know how it turns out. We always love to hear from you. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕! Together. Nice.